Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with a combo lesson. Today we have got a tested and a Glowforge project. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright friends, so what we got here is a sweet little stand that has LEDs. It can be battery operated, it has a remote control, and I'm going to give you a link. It comes with 3 cute little dinosaurs and a cable that you can plug into your own USB charger. I've got a USB cord that I've been using for years that I'm going to just plug into. And when plugged in, you get awesome little glow-in-the-dark dinosaurs that any kid would love, which is sweet. It's got a remote control. You can see here, you can go off, you can go on, you can do the different colors. There's red, green, blue, all kinds of custom choices as it'll go through them all. Tons of fun as you fiddle around and play with. You can instantly swap to the other ones that come with it, so your child can have fun with all the different possible dinosaurs, including the adorable little pterodactyl. But then my favorite part as a Glowforge owner is we can make our own custom ones. My piece of plexiglass or acrylic, whatever I was playing with, didn't actually fit, but you can see it actually still turned out pretty darn sweet, and I'm going to have fun playing with it, exploring, and seeing if I can create more incredible designs. Alright friends, so hopefully you enjoyed this as much as I have. If you are looking for one, there is a link in the description. You could build your own controller, but having the remote control and all that instantly is pretty sweet. And if you just want this for your kids, that is awesome as well. If you found the video useful, friends, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.